have tried a lot of earn money online methods, but every video you watched on the how to make money online subject, the advice is always the same. They sound promising, but in the end, you waste your time and money and get nothing for it. That disappointment ends here. I am going to give you 5 genuinely unique ways to make money online that you may have been overlooking, maybe because you've never heard of them, or maybe people explained them in the wrong way. These are totally non-saturated, zero investment ways to earn money at home, all while you stay 100% faceless, and most of them are wide open for beginners. I'll show you exactly how to use AI to automate the work for each one across multiple channels, including a faceless YouTube channel, so your content builds your audience while your income runs in the background. Stay until method 5. It's the one with the least competition in 2026 and the fastest runway to your first dollar. Method number 1 is niche digital printables, and I crown it the passive income king for one simple reason. You create the digital product once and sell it an infinite number of times, with zero restocking, zero inventory, and zero shipping costs. After the initial upload, everything runs on its own. Payments, delivery, and fulfillment, all without you lifting a finger. No physical materials to handle. No overhead eating into your margins. That's what makes this one of the cleanest ways to earn money at home right now, because almost every dollar earned is pure profit. What people most don't know? The printables market is crowded at the top and wide open at the bottom. Everyone's selling daily planners. Nobody's selling homeschool habit trackers for kids with ADHD or growing zone-specific garden planners for urban farmers. That gap is where the passive income opportunity lives. Here are the top 5 trending printable niches for 2026. Pick 1 or 2 and start today. 1. Neurodivergent and ADHD-friendly organizers. Standard rigid planners are being replaced by brain dump templates, visual routine checklists, and dopamine menus designed specifically for neurodivergent brains. The audience is huge, underserved, and they buy repeatedly. 2. Pet heritage and personalized portraits. 2026 is seeing a surge in personalized pet products. Top sellers include pet breed meets hobby mashups, think golden retriever hiking club, and digital pet profiles linked to printed QR code tags. Buyers in this niche spend without hesitation. 3. Specialized health and medical advocacy logs. As people take more control of their own health, demand is rising fast for structured tracking tools. Profitable items include detailed migraine logs, gut health and IBS food diaries, and medication and supplement trackers that help users walk into doctor appointments with organized data. I did a deep research, and this niche has almost no serious competition on Etsy right now. Niche number 4. Inflation-busting financial trackers. Generic budget sheets are being outpaced by zero-based budgeting templates. Visual debt payoff charts gamified for motivation and grocery price comparison logs. Niche 5. Niche hobby project management. Passionate hobbyists invest in high-quality tools for their specific craft. Knitting and crochet project logs, garden planning journals with layout grids, and aesthetic D&D character sheets consistently move on both Etsy and Pinterest. These buyers are loyal and they leave reviews. Use ChatGPT to mine granular sub-niches inside each of these 5 categories, the ones your competitors haven't found yet. Then, use Midjourney or DALL-E 3 to generate unique visual styles that set your products apart without hiring a designer. To maximize your sales, create Watch Me Design videos using screen recordings and an AI voiceover from ElevenLabs for professional sounding. You don't need to show your face, no expensive studio equipment. Just use OBS Free to record your process on screen. Upload the final video on YouTube. These videos rank on YouTube and drive Etsy traffic at the same time, turning your faceless YouTube channel into a selling funnel that runs in the background while you focus on creating more printables. Number 2 is microtasking for AI training. Every major AI model needs human-labeled training data to function. Platforms like Remotasks and Amazon Mechanical Turk pay you to do exactly that, reviewing images, categorizing text, and audio annotation. This is one of the most accessible ways to earn money online without investment. No experience required to start, but specialist skills command significantly higher rates. To get started, sign up on Remotasks or Amazon Mechanical Turk and complete the free training first. Skipping this locks you out of high-paying categories and lowers your earning potential. Start with image labeling or text categorization to build your accuracy score quickly. Once your rating climbs, then you can move to specialized high-rate tasks like medical imaging, language annotation, or autonomous vehicle data. For accuracy and time saving, use AI tools to pre-organize and batch your tasks before each session. This cuts dead time between tasks and directly increases your output per hour. Track your earnings across different task types and reallocate your time to the highest paying category. Document your journey while growing a faceless YouTube channel. Create a 24-hour earnings challenge video showing exactly what you earned in a single day. This format goes viral in the side hustle and passive income space because it provides the honest, specific proof viewers crave. Real numbers build trust faster than any script. That transparency drives watch time for YouTube AdSense revenue and attracts AI data companies looking for brand partners. In this niche, people respond to proof over promises. A single viral video puts you on their radar without you having to chase them. Number 3 is AI transcription verifier. AI can transcribe audio in seconds, but it routinely fails with technical jargon, medical terms, legal language, field-specific vocabulary. And when it gets those wrong, the consequences are real. That's why companies on platforms like Rev, GoTranscript, and Screedy pay humans $5 to $20 per audio hour to catch and fix exactly those errors. Here's how to get in. Set up a profile specializing in AI transcription proofreading on Upwork and Fiverr. Take the entrance assessment tests for Rev or Transcribe Me right away to get into their queue. These tests are free, and most people skip them, which means less competition for you. If you have any legal or medical background, go directly to 3Play Media or GMR Transcription. They pay significantly more for specialized work. Build a one-page resume that highlights your editing speed, proofreading accuracy, and any relevant field experience. Then start applying the same day. Once you've landed the work, use Grammarly or specialized editing tools to process corrections up to 3 times faster than manual review. This directly increases your hourly rate without working more hours. And the path to real income here is specialization. Pick one vertical, medical or legal, and charge a premium rate that general transcribers simply can't compete with. Leverage your faceless channel to build a professional portfolio that attracts high-paying companies and passive income opportunities. Build content around topics like the future of AI transcription or why AI still can't replace human editors. This positions you as an authority in the space, attracts inbound clients who find you through search, and opens up strong affiliate income from transcription software with CPM rates that reward this exact audience. Number 4 is Website Usability Tester. This is the most underrated way to earn money online for students, beginners, and anyone who wants to start fast with zero investment. Companies on user testing pay you $10 to $60 to navigate their websites or apps and talk through what you're experiencing. No technical background required, just an opinion and a microphone. In 2026, as more digital products launch with AI-built interfaces, the demand for real human feedback is accelerating. Companies need to know if their products actually work for normal people. To start earning, just sign up on user testing and connect your verified PayPal for payouts. Complete a quick 15-minute practice test to get approved, then start taking screeners to unlock paid sessions ranging from $4 to $120. What's interesting is that many tests are mobile-specific, so you can even make money on the go using their app. For long-term success, use AI transcription to turn your recorded sessions into polished written UX reports you can upsell to clients at a premium. Build a portfolio of reports and position yourself as a specialist tester for specific product categories like SaaS tools, e-commerce, or mobile apps. You can even build a faceless YouTube channel. Tech review content focused on UX is one of the fastest ways to go viral without ever showing your face. Just use screen recordings and commentary to turn your testing expertise into passive income. Method 5 is AI-enhanced print on demand. Print on demand is one of the most searched side hustle topics on YouTube right now, and for good reason. The barrier to entry is low, there's zero investment in stock, and you only pay for production after a customer already bought. That's one of the cleanest ways to earn money at home without risk. But most people competing in this space are still putting basic text on shirts and wondering why nothing sells. The edge in 2026 is AI-generated art, complex, high-detail designs that casual sellers can't produce by hand. Platforms like Printful and Redbubble surface the products that stand out, and right now, the ones standing out are the ones nobody else is making. Here's how to start and grow your print-on-demand business in 2 phases. Phase 1, the launch. Most people fail here because they try to sell to everyone. Don't. Pick a hyper-specific niche. Think minimalist mountain bikers or cat-loving coders. Use DALL-E 3 or Midjourney to generate 3 strong design concepts built around that niche, then connect them to a fulfillment partner like Printful or Printify. You're not buying boxes or managing stock. You're listing digital files that turn into physical orders only after a customer pays. No upfront cost, just margin. Phase 2, the scale. Once you have a design that's selling, don't let it sit on one product. Put it on hoodies, mugs, phone cases, and tote bags. A single winning concept can generate passive income continuously across an entire product line without creating anything new. This is also where you move from Etsy to your own Shopify store, so you own your customer data instead of renting it from a marketplace. From there, run targeted Facebook or TikTok ads behind the designs that are already proven to convert. Create trend report YouTube videos showing what's selling right now on POD platforms. That type of content pulls serious watch time for YouTube AdSense monetization and puts you directly in front of brand partnership opportunities without you pitching anyone. Use an AI-generated avatar from HeyGen as your host and never show your face once. The goal is not to sell a shirt. It's to build a self-running brand that generates online income around the clock with no face and without manual fulfillment.